Alright, so I am going to replace this fireplace mantle for a few reasons. It's too high. Second reason, it's kind of falling apart and I don't feel like fixing it. All right, real quick. So I have to get rid of these brick pillars, I guess. They're too thick, so I'm just going to take them completely out. But one reason why I'm taking them out at all is because of how wide this is. I mean, I could take this off, but then that would kind of screw me because that's one way that you need that in order to mount it to the wall. You'll see that in a little bit. So I'm going to use. Never done this before. Well, with brick, but I'm going to use this blade with angle grinder to cut it off, but it's specifically made for masonry. So you can already see what this thing's capable of. You have to change out the blade, but just keep knocking away at it, you know, making a bloody mess. Can't really see it, but I'm sure when I sweep, it's going to be everywhere. So, but that is a method. All right. So make sure you evenly space out the pilot holes and pre-drill all the holes that you need into the brick or the mortar with the appropriate bit, and then place the anchors.